Hi, so now I'm gonna be putting my hair in a ponytail using the Eco Styler coconut oil gel. That's my favorite, by the way. Let me just start by loosening out my detangling twists. And my ponytail holder is going to be this. This doesn't how normally how the hair would get tangled around the scrunchies or the elastics or whatever you're using. These ones, I don't know what kind of material this is, but if you look at it good, these ones are really good to hold a ponytail together. So I'm going to use my brush just to kind of get all of the hair in the area where I want the ponytail. I'm going to try to make this quick. And I remember my hair was already detangled, so it's easy to gather up where I want it to be. All I'm doing is brushing all of my hair up so that's one general area. Okay, so the trick is going to be gathering your hair. So you want to gather and gather up the back, right? And basically this is where my ponytail is going to be. If you're new at this, you can actually try it this way. So gather it up, and once all of the hair in the back is up together, then okay, you good. Use your scrunchie. Okay, if it's not tight enough, you can just pull it tighter. And then you're going to be using your gel. So the gel basically is going to, if you look closely, you could see all of my hair. The live strands are there. So the gel is basically just going to be laying those live strands down. And you want to use like a good amount of gel. I'm going to use a really good amount of gel, especially if your hair is thick, because the gel is what's going to control, I don't know if you could see already, the gel is what's going to control the hair and forces it to lay down flat as if your hair was relaxed. And then a soft brush, and you're just going to brush it in. For the back, you do the same thing for the back. Need some more gel. And then just use that same brush again. And there you have it. That's a puff. Now, my puff normally lasts, my ponytail normally lasts me about 2 or 3 days. So for me, I would normally do it the other way. Now that's an easy way for those just learning how to do ponytails, because you know it's easier to just put the hair in one than to brush it up, right? So what I normally do is I just leave my hair out and apply the gel. I don't know if you noticed, because the gel has already been applied and brushed, it kind of already formed the ponytail, right? So I like my hair to be slick, like slick. Slick enough so that the waves can be shown. So I just brush, and as I brush, I'm holding the hair in place, right? I'm doing the back the same time so that I can get a good grip on the ponytail. So that first ponytail wasn't tight enough for me either. And I'm gonna double my band simply because it's easier. It takes less time for me. It's less loops I have to make around the ponytail once I double it. So if you look, the ponytail is slick. That's once. Twice. And I'll leave it there. I won't do 3 times. And you still gather it. And then at this point, you could add some more gel just to kind of secure, because remember, after that first ponytail, you removed everything. So you loosen it up and it wasn't secure anymore. So you add some more gel to it. And there you have it. A really slick, easy ponytail. Can't get no easier than that. So you can try it and kind of figure out which way works best for you, or which way is easier for you. And once you've discovered that, then you could just tweak it and alter it as you get more familiar with your hair and your ponytail. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.